Vasu here from Tunex Audio Auckland, New Zealand. Javier bought his Toyota Hiace van to get an audio upgrade done to it. Front doors, sliding door, the sides, everywhere we sounded, and because these vans tend to resonate a lot, the sheet metal on them is very thin. So we kept the Kenwood Japanese head in it, and in the front we did 6.5 Tunex mid-range speakers. Moving on to the rear, we did Ground Zero Yellow Basket 6.5s. So this was actually a challenging part. A lot of these vans come with rear speaker placement on the last row of the seats, and it actually gets blocked by those seats. So it's a very poor factory speaker location from Toyota. And in this install, we wanted to actually position speakers accurately. Only way to do it was there was just enough space if we would have deleted the cup holder on the left sliding door, which was actually not going to be used at all since it wasn't even close to any of the chairs. We deleted that. We just had enough space. We did a custom speaker adapter and we mounted the speaker successfully inside. Another challenging part was running the speaker wire in that sliding door. If you've worked on these Hiace vans, you would know that the automatic electronic sliding door has a retractable wiring loom that goes. It's a factory loom, and it's actually encased into this plastic cover that retracts. And inside of the door, it's got a spring that actually keeps that whole loom in its place, and so it doesn't get caught up while the sliding door is opening or closing. So we took that whole system apart, ran our oxygen-free speaker wire through, mounted the speaker, put a grill on it, and it just cleared enough so that the speaker wouldn't hit the side of the car when the door opens up. So it was a bit of a challenge, but hey, we made it all work. We did 415s in this van, custom enclosure, a Blaze 2500 RMS 15s in it. To run those 415s, we did a Tunex E-DOS 9000. Let's have a look at the lithium bank that you just finished wiring up. So it's gonna be covered up with panels. Beauty panels. Yeah, a bit of upholstery on it.
Yeah.
Here's the
amps, the
9K with the fuses on. Sound deaden. Sides. 4-channel Ground Zero DSP.
it's going in.
The tweeter's done. Envious Audio, Hershey Kiss. To power the speakers in the door, we went with our E7.4 amplifier, and to control the whole system, we did our Ground Zero GZ DSP. So this van sounds amazing. Client's super happy. He couldn't tell 4 speakers in that van could make that much amount of sound without any distortion. It's super clear. Being the size of a van, it sounds amazing. So check it out, guys.
Dipping on some scissors, dipping on some scissors, dipping on some scissors, dipping on some Dipping on some scissor. Dipping on some scissor.
I'm real, walking the wheel. A pimp, not a simp. Keep the dope fiends higher than the Goodyear blimp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine poisoning. Fuck niggas make me sick with all that tension and bargaining. You say that you a boss, I ain't believing that shit. You got the funny Geneva watch with the Ferrari kit. Take that monkey shit off. You embarrassing. Look, I got the red from Memphis, the orange and yellow. Look, how the cold down on that hand-free phone. The 84 phone on the Blaze 20-inch phone. If you got 16, you can get a scissor. I'm choking on that Doja sweet and sipping on that
Some
scissor.
niggas scared to float it. Some niggas they want it. Some niggas they join it. But I be fucked up about it. Roll with the mafia shit. And we ain't about that bullshit. If we gon' get high, we gon' get high. And we gon' have some bitch. You niggas all at the mouth. Niggas all at the ass. And plus there's some type of nigga they caught on that and she cool with that. She popped a pill of X and drank up some more juice. And just when you thought she was freaking, she done got super loose. Niggas coming back, threes and deuce, all in circles like up the goose. All they want, they can phone it. She on that X and the two, the $40 for just 1 ounce plus an exit. Sound what's pronounced, niggas sipping and dipping and tripping, man. I'm about all out. Dipping on some scissor, dipping on some dipping on some scissor, dipping on some dipping on some scissor, dipping on some dipping on some scissor.